Hi, it's Ray from Pro Shaper Workshop in Charlton, Massachusetts. Mark says to me, hey, we got a problem. I can't get the blades off of this Beverly Shear. I picked up a couple Beverly Shears. We're kind of restoring them and stuff, and Mark tried to take these countersunk screws out that hold the little blade. I'm going to get them sharpened, and he couldn't get them out. It's rounded out here. It's got a hex Allen there, and this one's a regular straight screw. So I'm going to see if I can walk them out with just a prick punch. Sometimes you can do that. We'll shock them here. Hey, look at that. Awesome. Very common problem. Sometimes you can win, oftentimes you lose. Worst case, you can drill them out and retap them. So that solved that one. Okay. Now let's see if we're really lucky and get this one out. And this will dull the prick punch, so you got to check. You want it to bite in a little bit. So, oh, look at that, it's moving. Awesome. So we won today. Little simple trick I learned eons ago. So we'll just have to replace those screws. So I hope you enjoyed that little exercise. Might not work out as good for you, but give it a shot. It's Ray from Pro Shaper Workshop, and metal is clay.